Next question is from Jerry. How long can one take HRT and how do you know when to stop? Also, why DHEA? Why is DHEA recommended?
So HRT can be used as long as necessary to control your symptoms. For most women, eventually they won't need it anymore. But for some women, they need it for a long time or indefinitely. I generally recommend after 3 to 5 years, stop it for a while. Go off the medicine for a month or so and see how you feel. If you're miserable, then let's start the medicine back up and get you feeling good. If you don't feel any different, then you don't need it anymore. Again, you want to use the least amount of medicine necessary to control your symptoms. So, it's a little experiment. And again, someone asked earlier, is it risky to stop hormones right away? And it's not. And so you can do that little test every now and then. Stop the hormones for a month, see how you feel. If your body will let you know whether it was something that you needed or not. And if you find that you don't feel any different, then it's probably not necessary anymore. So after a few years, that's a reasonable thing to do. And then let's say that it's like, oh no, I still need it. Well, then wait a couple more years and try again, or however long that you decide that you want to wait. Don't stop medicine just before some important thing, in case you don't feel well. So choose your timing, some time where things are going to be easy and relaxed. And so if all the symptoms come back, it's not going to mess something up for you. Don't do it just before you go on vacation or something. But that's basically how you do it. It's a little test and see what your body needs.